I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 3 days. All you have to do for a chance to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free Bitcoin. Let's go. I've got an idea about a massive short squeeze. That would mean such a feel-good story for the bulls. But is it possible? Can it happen? Let's dig into this. I posted this last night in announcements, and I talked about this double bottom, right? And one thing I have to stress to you guys is that you have to learn divergences, right? That's going to give you a huge edge. And so here you have a low, and then this is potentially a slightly lower low, right? But down here you've got your low, and then this is a higher low. So as soon as I saw this, I'm thinking, you know, double bottom, bullish divergence occurs in a downtrend. It means possible trend change, right? It means the bears were winning, and then the bulls are starting to show some strength on the RSI. Okay, so this is a great way to kind of gauge trend changes. All right, so this was the chart that was posted, right? And I said, you know, 32,200 doesn't hold, more downside. But if the bulls can break basically above this level, see a move to the upper trend line. Okay, so here we are, upper trend line. Now, this is overhead resistance, okay? And what we have here is called hidden bearish divergence. Okay, so this shows trend continuation and occurs in a downtrend. And so here you have your high, and then this is a lower high at this point. Here on the RSI, you've got your high, but then this is a higher high. Okay, and so this means unless the bulls can push this price up here, it would make the price action and the RSI match up, right? Right now, they don't match, right? High, higher high, high, lower high, right? So this is just possible, right? And so you have strong overhead resistance, you have possible hidden bearish divergence, right? But again, the bulls, I mean, they could show up, push this price up here, break out of this falling wedge. I mean, we talked about all those shorts that were opening based on this idea. I mean, amazing bear trap this could potentially be, which would give us a move if this broke higher up into this area, which is that strong overhead resistance. However, if it gets rejected right here at this lower trend line, you know, this is that bearish retest idea. So it's all about to happen. We've got daily candle close coming, and like I said, a rejection here, and you just continue in the pattern. Okay, a breakout here, and it needs to be. The problem is with the RSI right now is the RSI is overbought. It's real close to overbought levels, right? So still possible, but not as likely to happen because this is already at an extreme level. So like when you're trading and you're watching the 1 hour chart, like this is such a small pattern. Like you don't have these big price swings. Like alts did okay today, but not amazing because Bitcoin dominance is trending higher. Like if Bitcoin dominance gets rejected right here, Bitcoin moves come when you see big reversals or breakouts of overhead resistance. Like when you get a big significant move on Bitcoin dominance, you can use it to kind of help yourself time Bitcoin moves. You just don't know which direction the Bitcoin move is going to be. And so I just wanted to make this video because it was kind of important to explain these ideas. So it's always very important to watch what Bitcoin's doing when you're trading your altcoin setups. Also understand that daily candle close, most of your volume is going to come in around the daily candle close, which 8 p.m. Eastern time, and 8 a.m. Eastern time is the 12-hour candle close. So that's when your volume typically comes in, is after those candles close. So now let's look at these rising wedges. So you got rising wedge down here, rising wedge on the price action, 68% chance, broke lower here too. Same thing here, Rising wedge, 68% chance broke lower on the RSI too. Here we are again, 68% chance it breaks lower. And so it'll give you an edge. I mean, I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person opened up a long on Luna, up $2,600 today. Got him. This person lost some money in crypto. Hey, who hasn't? 50% pullback in Bitcoin. Today alone, he's up 100% using a portion of his account balance in futures. So what's amazing here is he said, I took a big break from trading and I rewatched your learning videos. And it's really that simple. It's amazing. It took me so long to learn these ideas, and I've put them together in a crypto training course that's epic, period. This person up 150% on 2 trades. Huge. This person made 0.1 Bitcoin. That's $3,400 in a week. Huge. I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups, period. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes right in front of us, and we have to make it count. We've got buying opportunities of a lifetime coming. You need to know which coins to pay attention to. Look at this. These are some of our recent trades. 33% gains, 115% gains, 47%, 23%. Uni banging. Lena up 37% out of TLM. 1inch 14%. ETH we're up 15%. Huge. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. Shorts. So yesterday we talked about the Bitcoin bearish whales on Bitfinex opening up massive short positions. It hasn't happened yet, but we talked about this short squeeze possibility. Essentially what happens when shorts get squeezed is the price action pushes higher and they're betting that it goes lower. Well, all of a sudden they're in these massive losses on their shorts, and so they start buying Bitcoin longs in order to cover their short losses, right? And so you get this massive price pump out of Bitcoin. Now, this is not something that you can just solely count on. Like, I hope this is it. I hope this is it. But at some point, you're going to see it happen where potentially shorts get completely wrecked and you get a big pump out of Bitcoin. Will it happen now or later? We'll see. Grabbing popcorn. Listen, I was watching another YouTube channel and they were talking about like these youngsters, we'll say, like under 18, like 15, 16, 17. And they had these, I was watching these videos on TikTok. They were just replaying them and people were like, dude, Dogecoin's going to $1,000. It could happen. Dogecoin's about to outpace Ethereum. It could happen. And you just realize that people new to this space, they don't know any better. And seeing this on TikTok, well, TikTok put their foot down and they said their new branded content policy, the promotion of all financial services and products is now globally prohibited. So this is some news. So we saw huge gains out of EOS. Imagine that. EOS. Remember, EOS used to be this hot new crypto and it really faded, right? EOS had a previous huge run up during the strong altcoin season we just had recently because it basically did nothing for such an extended period of time. But the Thiel-backed crypto firm is called Bullish, and they're working on this $9 billion SPAC merger. And so the idea is the deal includes a $300 million private investment in a public entity, or PIPE, which is anchored by this asset management firm, right? And so there's funds that are involved that are managed by BlackRock, Cryptology Asset Group, and Galaxy Digital. So Bullish was launched in May by Block One, which created EOS. Basically, this entire idea is capitalized by Block One with about 10 billion in digital assets and cash. That included 164,000 Bitcoins, valued at $9.7 billion at the time. $100 million in cash and 20 million EOS tokens, which power the Block One transactions. So go over to Binance. And again, you see a larger cap crypto up 22% on this news, the news that moves the markets. It's good to see news come out and positive price action out of these altcoins. Altcoins had a pretty decent day today. The question is, will it continue? Will we see a reversal out of Bitcoin? Or if you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.